Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern summer typographic poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1350 by 1080. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Change its case to upper. And font to Go Bold Regular. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Right-click again, and ungroup. Open the Align panel and click on this icon to level the spacing between the letters. Then go to the Rectangle tool and draw a long bar rectangle. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Repeat the process, and arrange them. Select all, open the Pathfinder panel, and click on the Unite button. Then go to the Object menu, Compound Path, and Make. Go to the File menu and Place, select the image and click on Place. Send it to back. Select all, go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask, and Make. You can change the position and size of the image using the Direct Selection tool. Type the other text. Follow my text settings. Select the points using the Direct Selection tool and drag them up. And place the text here. Then I have these icons, I place them in the bottom center. Finally, create a rectangle and apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Select the Artboard tool, hold the Alt button to make a copy of it. Select the image using the Direct Selection tool, and you can easily replace it with another. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.